Hey guys, hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Johnny here. So today we're going to be unboxing a wireless earbud. This is actually the Baseus Encok series W12 true wireless earbuds. So I think this is purple color. You can see it. This is the design, the casing, and the earbuds itself. Right. So some of the information here is low latency mode, PU composite diaphragm and moving coils, 2C double flash charge. I'm not too sure what's meaning 2C double flash charge. Uses Bluetooth 5.1. At the back, battery life is about 5 hours, that's 70% volume. The case, it can go up to about 20-25 hours. Earbuds capacity 40 milliamp. Charging case capacity 300 milliamp. Uses Type-C. Alright, compatible with all wireless devices. I think this one is for authenticity. So let's open it up. Oh, nice. Arrow here, open. Earbuds are here in a simple plastic wrapper, and there's in a box with a logo that says probably it's a charging cable and the silicone seal. You open up, this is a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, and then additional silicone seals. I think they're white in color. Warranty card, user manual. So the user manual is in English. The entire thing is in English, not too bad. Let's put everything away and let's look at the main thing. Very simple, just remove this and the earbuds will come popping out. It's purple in color, so it's matte finishing, purple matte. So you can see me fiddling around with it, trying to get some fingerprints don't stain it. Alright. Then here is a lip for you to open up the lid. So the company name Baseus is on the front with the LED light here at the right below the name. Plastic hinge at the bottom, USB-C charging port, and then this is the model name, Encok W12. Let's open up the lid and you will see earbuds inside. Right, it looks a bit like WM01 actually, the earbuds. Right, but let's take the earbuds out. They are actually shiny. Yeah, they do look like WM01. Right guys, so on the left is W12, on the right is WM01. They're both under the Encok series. Okay, so let's open up the lid. Okay, there are some slight differences. So if we look at close up, so firstly, of course, why I say that it resembles is because the shape of the earbuds are pretty identical. Right, let's take out, then you can have a closer look. Right, you see, it's oval in shape. Just a few differences. I think up front you can actually tell, besides both are being the same shape and they're equally glossy. But you can see that the W12 here is a narrow slit. I think this is for the microphone, whereas for the WM01 here, it's the microphone is a dot, and then this is where the LED light is. So I think this one doesn't have any LED light on the W12. Okay, top view, you can see that the W12 earbud seems to be bigger, wider, alright? But of course that's because for WM01, the top is narrower and then it gets bigger as you go down. Then on the side view, you will see that the W12 doesn't have any sponge. Alright, it doesn't have an additional sponge pad, for unlike the WM01 whereby it actually provides more grip. Ear tip, they're about the same. Alright, looks very identical, very similar. WM01 uses 3 pogo pins, 12 uses 2 pogo pins that we remove. W12 is 2 pogo pins, WM01 is 3 pogo pins. Move your fingers along the side. Alright, W12 is rounder, whereas for WM01, due to the fact that it's tapered from the middle to the top, and then there is this cushion pad right on both sides, so you get a firmer grip on the WM01 compared to the W12. So this is actually a very simple upfront comparison between two wireless earbuds which are in the same series. This is W12, this is WM01. Alright, so next up, let's see what happens when we plug in the charging cable. So with me here, I actually have a USB-C cable. Let's plug into the bottom and see what happens. When you first plug in the charging cable, the LED light on the front will stay solid for about 1 to 2 seconds, and then it will start blinking. Alright, so this is actually to indicate that charging has started. Let's open out the lid. Okay, so the LED light is built in here. Alright, so probably both the microphone and the LED light are combined into a single slit. Red color on both. They'll stay on for a couple of seconds, and then after that they'll automatically turn off. Okay, so let's leave it to charge for a couple of hours, maybe 1 to 2 hours, and then we see what happened after that. Alright guys, so what we have here with me is the Baseus W12, and in this part of the video we're going to be showing you how to actually pair it via Bluetooth with a smartphone. What I have with me here is actually an Oppo Reno phone, and the first thing we're going to check is actually to see if W12 has fast pairing. It's very simple. First thing we need to do is open up the lid, and let's see if it starts pairing. Right, so apparently I don't think there's any fast pairing, so what we're going to do next is we take out the earbuds. Let's refresh. And yep, even though it doesn't have fast pairing, so the moment you take out the earbuds, you actually see the icon here. Tap on it, press on pair, and it will be connected. Right, so let's see here. So next thing we're going to do is we're going into the eye. So your additional menu, you can see here it's the device name, then there's disconnect, unpair. You can use it for phone audio, media audio, contact sharing, and then there's an additional option for you to actually utilize high quality audio. So you can see here it's currently off, so it's using SBC codec. When you switch it on, it's using AAC. Off, SBC. On AAC. The next option is actually the device MAC address. Alright fellas, so in this segment of the video, we will be looking at the audio output quality of the W12. So over here, I've actually opened up Spotify with some royalty-free hip-hop music, and let's get into the first one. Audio level is currently at about 50 to 60%. Now I get a warning. Right, at about 80%, I'm starting to hear some sound coming out from the earbuds. I'm not too sure you can hear it clearly through my iPhone 12 mini's microphone. Do let me know if you can pick up something. Now it's currently at 100% volume. Right, so the distance from the phone of my camera phone to the earbuds is probably about 15 centimeters away. Do let me know if you can hear anything from the audio. Now I'm going to drop it back down. Right, and I'm actually going to be putting them on. Right, it's currently at 50% audio. I feel generally okay. It's quite decent. You can feel some of the bass. The vocal clarity is there. It's up to about 60%. Okay, not bad, it's quite clear. Let's try another one. The bass is not really crazy bass. There's some bass in it. I would feel that those of you who are more bass inclined, you may not like the amount of bass found in the W12. but the vocal clarity is there. You get very clear separations of the instruments. You get the left and the right. It's pretty okay, it's pretty decent. Yeah, it's acceptable, but of course for some of you here who want something more, yeah, this might not be what you're looking at. Alright, so this has been my initial impression and unboxing of the Baseus Encok W12 wireless earbuds. If you want to see a full review, do hit the subscribe button and of course like this video. Till the next one, bye bye.